If you love Japanese food but don't know where to start with these 5 essential seasonings. I use them every day in all kinds of dishes. Once you know these 5, Japanese cooking at home becomes easier, more delicious, and more fun. Here are the 5 essential seasonings I'll cover today. Soy sauce, miso, mirin, sake, and dashi. Each one plays a different role and is used in soups, stir fry, and so many everyday dishes. I'll walk you through each one, and later I'll also share recipes you can make with them. Let's start with the most familiar one. Soy sauce is the first bottle I recommend for Japanese cooking. It adds saltiness, umami, and depth, and is used in countless everyday dishes. If you're buying your first bottle, choose a regular koikuchi soy sauce. That's a standard dark soy sauce used in most Japanese homes. Brand like Kikkoman is widely available internationally and consistently reliable choice. Just a quick splash can instantly deepen flavor. Use it on cold tofu, in stir fries, fried rice, or soups. If you only buy one seasoning today, soy sauce is definitely the one to start with. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Next one is miso. You might already be familiar with miso from miso soup, but feel intimidated about buying one. If so, don't worry, it's much easier to use than you think. Miso adds richness and savory depth, making simple dishes much more satisfying. If you're new to miso, start with white miso. It's mild, versatile, and easy to use in everyday cooking. Brands like Hikari Miso and Marukome are widely available internationally. I also have a full miso buying guide in another video, so be sure to check that out. Once you have miso, start with miso soup. You can also mix it with mayonnaise for a quick dip sauce, turn it into a dressing, or use it as a sauce for stir fries. The third one is mirin. You might not be familiar with mirin, but it plays an important role in Japanese cooking. Made from rice, mirin adds gentle sweetness, balance, and that glossy finish often seen in Japanese dishes. It helps sauces taste rounder and look beautifully glazed. If you can, choose a type of mirin called home mirin. This is traditional mirin made without added sweeteners or salt. I personally use Mikawa home mirin. It's made with simple ingredients and has a clean, natural sweetness from rice. One of the most well-known ways to use mirin is in teriyaki. When combined with soy sauce, it creates that perfect sweet and savory balance. You can also use it for simmer dishes and stir fries. Next is sake. Many cuisines are cooked with alcohol, and Japanese cooking uses sake in a similar way. Sake adds delicate umami, helps tenderize ingredients, and removes unwanted odors from meat and fish. If you're buying sake for cooking, I actually recommend using regular drinking sake rather than cooking sake. Many cooking sakes contain added salt, which can make seasoning harder to control. An affordable junmaishu is more than enough for everyday cooking. Sake works quietly in the background, supporting the other seasonings. Use it in simmer dishes, stir fries, or soups. If you cook meat or fish often, sake is especially useful to keep on hand. The last one is dashi. Dashi is one of the easiest ways to give food a more authentic Japanese flavor. It adds clean umami and subtle depth to many classic dishes. Dashi is a traditional Japanese broth usually made from bonito flakes and kombu seaweed. If you're buying it for the first time, instant dashi powder is the most convenient option. It's quick, easy to use, and perfect for everyday cooking. The simplest way to use dashi is as a base for soups, like miso soup or noodle soup. You can also use it for simmered vegetables, rice dishes, or sauces. If you want authentic Japanese flavor at home, dashi is worth keeping in your pantry. With these 5 seasonings, just add vegetables, rice, noodles, and proteins like eggs, fish, or beans. Mix and match them, and you can make a wide variety of Japanese dishes. Here are 10 easy and delicious recipes you can make with these 5 essentials. Tofu miso soup, nikujaga, kake udon, fried rice, tofu teriyaki rice bowl, vegetarian miso ramen, nitamago, tamago don, kimpira gobo, hiyayakko. If you found a recipe you'd like to try, check out the videos in the description below. And if you're wondering where to find these ingredients, let me share a few easy places to start. If you're in the US, one of the best places to check is Mitsuwa Marketplace, one of the largest Japanese grocery chains in America. You can also try H Mart, which often carries many Japanese pantry staples, or Tokyo Central, another great option for Japanese ingredients. If you like extra help, I created a free Japanese grocery shopping guide you can download from the sign-up form below. It includes a what to buy checklist, pantry essentials, and a map of Japanese grocery stores across the US. So if you're ready to get started, begin with these 5 essential seasonings. Start simple, keep cooking, and build your pantry over time. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments which seasoning you already use or which one you'd like to try or learn more about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.